guys, babasahin ko na lang po yung question at babasahin ko po yung correct answer. Wala na pong rationalization. I-memorize nyo na lang po. Okay? Para lang ma-memorize nyo ang mga sagot. Again, ang goal po natin sa drill ay ma-memorize nyo ang sagot. Wala na po tayong rationalization. Diretso na po question at diretso na po tayo sa answer. Okay. Sige. Don't worry guys, yung 130 slides na doble-doble lang yan guys. Kasi yung correct answer, dinoble ko yung slide para sa second answer na yung correct answer. Sige. For items number 31 to 35, select the most grammatically correct sentence from among the 5 given choices. If the 5 given choices are the following: the gifts of health and life are precious things that every individual should learn to preserve and care for. 2. Preserve things that many individuals should learn and preserve and care for are the gifts of health and life that every individual should learn to preserve and care for our precious gift for life, health, and life. Every individual should learn to preserve and care for gifts of health that are precious things. That gifts of health and life of every individual should learn to preserve and care for the precious things in life. Correct answer po natin pag ganito ang question is the gifts of life. The gifts of health and life are precious things that every individual should learn to preserve and care for. Again, correct answer, the gifts of health and life are precious things that every individual should learn to preserve and care for. Number 32. Required to hurry for the program, the employee's menu came in late. Number 2, the employees came in late for the program, but the menu is required to hurry. Number 3, the program is required to hurry, but the menu for the employees came in late. Number 4, the employees are required to hurry for the program, but the menu came in late. So number 5, the menu came in late, but the employees are required to hurry for the program. Correct answer natin dito, the employees are required to hurry for the program, but the menu came in late. Again, correct answer, the menu are required to hurry for the program, but the menu came in late. Number 33. Mabilisan lang tayo guys ha, for memorization lang ito. The victim was fond of athletics as other boys are. The victim was fond of athletics like other boys are. Like other boys are, the victim was fond of athletics. The victim was fond of athletics just like other boys are. The victim was fond of athletics similar to other boys are. Sige nga, number 33, kung natatandaan niyo pa ang sagot, anong sagot? Sumasagot pa ba kayo? Tignan natin sa number 33 kung natatandaan niyo pa ang sagot. Correct answer natin dito, most grammatically correct sentence is option number 1. The victim was fond of athletics as other boys are. Again, correct answer natin sa number 33. The victim was fond of athletics as other boys are. Number 34. Which is the most grammatically correct sentence? Is it 1? First at the scene of the crime was Officer Reyes, followed by Officer Mendoza, arrived 15 minutes. 2. Officer Reyes arrived at the first scene of the crime. Next, Officer Mendoza arrived 15 minutes later. Number 3. Officer Mendoza arrived 15 minutes later before Officer Reyes arrived at the scene of the crime first. Or is it 4? Officer Reyes arrived at the scene of the crime first. Moreover, Officer Mendoza arrived 15 minutes later. Magsagot kayo guys. Lagyan nyo ng number. Number 34, anong sagot? Number 5. Officer Reyes arrived at the scene of the crime first, while Officer Mendoza arrived 15 minutes later. Correct answer po natin sa number 34 ay option number 5. Correct kayo dyan. Neil, correct ka dyan. Correct answer number 5. Officer Reyes arrived at the scene of the crime, while Officer Mendoza arrived 15 minutes later. Again, Officer Reyes arrived at the scene of the crime, while Officer Mendoza arrived 15 minutes later. Tatandaan po ito, baka lumabas again. Number 35. The fire department confirmed that two adults and a child perished in an early morning fire. Two adults and a child perished in an early morning fire as confirmed by the fire department. Is it 3? Confirmed by the fire department is that 2 adults and a child perished in an early morning fire. 4. In an early morning fire, 2 adults and a child perished as confirmed by the fire department. Or is it 5. The fire department confirmed in an early morning fire the 2 adults and a child perished. Correct answer po natin dito, option number 1. The fire department confirmed that 2 adults and a child perished in an early morning fire. This is the correct answer because this is in a active voice. Ang tagaganap po or ang doer of the action is the fire department. Dapat siya po ang mauna. Correct answer natin sa number 35 ay option number 1. The fire department confirmed that 2 adults and a child perished in an early morning fire. Number 36. To blank his pursuers, he pretended to blank as he walks with a broken leg? Is it 1, skip, escape? Is it 2, escape, escape? Is it 3, escape, sketch? Is it 4, escape, escape? Is it 5, skip or sketch? Correct answer natin sa number 36 ay option number 2, escape, escape. Correct answer, to escape his pursuers, he pretended to skip as he walks with a broken leg. Correct answer number 36 is escape, escape. Number 37, your instruction for number 36 to number 40 is to fill in the blanks with the correct words to complete the sentence, okay? The blank phenomenon was expected to elicit blank reaction among the viewers. Is it 1, is strange, strange, is strange, is strange, strange, stream, strange, strange, stream or strange? Correct answer natin dito ay option number 4. Strange is strange. Strange is strange. The strange phenomenon was expected to elicit blank, strange reaction to the viewers. When we say strange, unfamiliar, strange, ibig sabihin, detached. Ibig sabihin, you are hindi na, nagkalayo na or something that is new, okay? Number 37, option number 4. Number 38. Nakalagay na po yung answer. The blank families could hardly find their blank personal belongings. 1, displaced, misplaced, misplaced, displaced, displayed, displayed, displeased, misplaced, displaced, displaced. Correct answer. Option number 1, the displaced families could hardly find their misplaced personal belongings. Pag sinabi natin displaced, uprooted or natanggal sa isang lugar. Pag misplaced, naiwala or nakalimutan kung saan na ilagay. Correct answer sa number 38, displaced, misplaced. Kahit pagbalik na rin yan, ang displaced po, natanggal ka sa isang lugar or natanggal ka sa isang location. Number 38, correct answer, option number 1, displaced, misplaced. Number 39, I plan to buy a writing pad in a blank store as soon as the blank is blank. Stationary, 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 station, stationary, 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 stationary. Guys, sagot natin, writing pad, stationary store, and stationary bus. Stationary with an E, ibig sabihin, that is the store, binibili ng mga pens. Stationary with an A, hindi gumagalaw. Correct answer, number 39, option number 3. Stationary, stationary. Yes, na-exam na po ito, Mark. Tapos na po ito. Number 40. As the bride enters, their applause blank to their gladness. Over the long overdue wedding, but their negative facial expression blank that they do not approve of the groom. Infers, 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 refers, 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 infers, or enters, infers. Correct answer po natin sa number 40 ay option number 4. As the bride enters, their applause refers to their gladness over the long overdue wedding, but their negative facial expression infers that they do not approve of the groom. When we say refers, pertaining to, pag infers, implying with or implying meaning with. Ano? Okay? Correct answer number 40, option number 4. Guys, magsagot kayo dyan sa mga magsagot kayo dyan sa mga, what do you call this? Comment section para masagot nyo. Pag dual and dual, pag dual, ibig sabihin dalawahan. Pag dual, mag-aaway, okay? Dual, dalawahan. Dual, mag-aaway, okay? Dual, dalawahan. Dual, mag-aaway, okay? Number 41. For numbers 41 to 45, select the word that is opposite in meaning to the underlined word in the following statement. Underlined word for number 41 is discord. Discord among members of the family impacts on their children's success. Discord meaning pag-aaway. So, ang hinanap natin ng opposite, distance, hatred, relationship, harmony, misunderstanding. Pinakamalapit, guys, harmony. The rest are negative, isa lang ang positive. Again, opposite ng discord, harmony. Opposite ng discord, harmony. Ano naman ang synonym ng discord? Misunderstanding. Again, misunderstanding. Number 41, sagot natin dyan, harmony. 42. While the mayor was on vacation leave, his vice mayor presided over the council meeting and usurped the former's authority. Is it checked, disclosed, utilized, surrendered, or rejected? Pag opposite po ng usurp ay surrendered. Again, surrendered. Kasi ang meaning po ng usurp ay sa pilitang kinuha ng hindi naman sa'yo. So, pag surrendered ay willing ka or kumbaga kusang binigay. Correct answer na sa number 42 ay option number 4. Option number 4. Number 43. The chief of police issued a statement to refute the bad news. The chief of police issued a statement to refute the bad news. Opposite ng underlined word na refute, prove, repel, rebut, nullify, or support. Ang refute po, ibig sabihin, kinakalaban. Ang kabaliktaran po ng kinakalaban ay sinusuportahan. Okay? Sagot natin sa number 43 ay option number 5. Refute po, you are going against. Support ay sinusuportahan. Correct answer sa number 43 ay option number 5, support. Kabaliktaran po ng refute ay support. So nasagot na ang sa tanong ni Neil, ang kabaliktaran po ng refute ay support. Number 44 na tayo, guys. Konti lang po, tingnan mo guys, malapit na agad matapos. Many intend to keep their wicked intentions. Our underlined word is wicked. Ano ang kabaliktaran ng wicked? Sagot natin dyan ay noble. Final answer po natin dito ay hindi frank. Final answer po natin ay noble. Again, noble. Kasi ang wicked po ay masamang intensyon. Ang noble po ay magandang intensyon. Final answer po natin sa kabaliktaran ng wicked ay, oh my gosh. Final answer po sa kabaliktaran ng wicked ay noble. Again, noble. Negative po yan lahat. Isa lang po ang positive, noble. Harmful is negative, evil is negative, frank is negative, malicious is negative. Sagot po natin sa number 44, noble. Again, final answer na po yan. Wala na pong ibang answer. Final answer po ng ng kabaliktaran ng wicked ay noble. Wicked, masamang intensyon. Noble, magandang intensyon. Number 45. His success serves as an eloquent reminder of the value of hard work. Opposite ng reminder, is it expressive, significant, low, suggestive, meaning? Pag eloquent po, ibig sabihin mabilisan or madami. Ang kabaliktaran po niyan ay low. Sagot natin dito ay low. Again, 45, sagot po natin ay low. Option number 3. Number 45, ang sagot po natin ay low. Nanawag si Charmaine. Number 46. Eto, hanapin natin ang most logical sequence of that to form a good paragraph. The government must address non-index or petty crimes which directly bother ordinary citizens. The president insisted that there should be police visibility, so he expects the PNP to follow that order. Although there is a downward trend in the index crime for those offenses against persons and properties in the country, petty crimes, however, have increased. The government is stepping up the campaign against petty crimes in the National Capital Region, from increasing police visibility to preparing a feedback mechanism from the public. Concerned by the reported rise in petty crimes in Metro Manila, President Marcos has ordered the PNP to deploy more personnel to keep the streets safe. Correct answer po natin dyan. Pinakauna is option number 3. Although there is a downward trend in the index crime for those offenses against persons and properties in the country, petty crimes, however, have increased. Number 2, the president insisted that there should be police visibility, so he expects the PNP to follow that order. Number 3, the government is stepping up the campaign against petty crimes in the National Capital Region, from increasing police visibility to preparing a feedback mechanism from the public. Fourth, the government must address non-index or petty crimes would directly bother ordinary citizen. And finally, the last number, concerned by the reported rise in petty crimes in Metro Manila, President Marcos has ordered the PNP to deploy more personnel to keep the streets safe. So ang correct order po natin dyan ay 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. Ang correct order po natin dyan ay 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. Again, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. Let's proceed to the next one. Loss of recent memory is the usual initial symptom. At first, memory loss is not consistent because the person forgets something one day but remembers the same thing next day. 3. The person with AD ends up bedridden and totally dependent on others for his or her physical needs. 4. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive, irreversible disease that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills. As the disease progresses, the ability to learn new things is lost. Correct answer. Una po si option number 2. At first, memory loss is not consistent because the person forgets something one day but remembers the same thing next day. The person with AD is progressive and irreversible disease that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills. Guys, mali itong nalagay. Ang correct answer po natin dito ay 4 ang una. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive and irreversible disease that destroys memory and thinking skills. Unahin natin yan ha. 4 yung una. Sunod. 1. Loss of recent memory is the initial symptom. And then, 2. At first, memory loss is not consistent. And then sunod, 5. And then, number 3. Correct answer natin dito, 41253. Again, 41253. 41253. Number 56. Oh, tignan nyo guys, pag malapit na tayo, konti na lang talaga siya. Konti na lang talaga siya. In here, 56 to 60, 75 lang ito hanggang. Directions is each of the following statements. Ito ay grammar mali. Oh, mali sa grammar. Choose the corresponding number with the mistake in grammar. Number 58. One morning, I went to the stationery store to buy some pens. No error. One morning, went stationery store, some, no error. Correct answer natin, option number 3. Kasi dapat po yan ay stationary with an E. Stationary. Correct answer, option number 3. 59. The joy of life together with the travel and jewelry is accessible only to those who can afford. Correct answer, option number 4. Bakit? Kulang siya ng pronoun na it. Therefore, this is what we call case of squinting modifier. Again, 59. Sagot natin, afford kasi kulang ng pronoun na it. Number 60. This reaction has a negative effect on my studies. Mali po natin dyan. Ang ay affect. Dapat po yan ay hindi po affect, kundi dapat effect. So, ang correct sentence po natin dito ay, this reaction has a negative effect on my studies. Correct answer. So, number 60, affect. Hindi po dapat affect, kundi dapat effect. Number 61. The dexterity demonstrated, choose the word that has the closest meaning of the underlined word. The dexterity demonstrated with the basketball players is admirable. Dexterity po, that is referring to manual skill or referring to skill. Pag dexterity, skill. Again, dexterity, skill po yan. Correct answer, 61, dexterity, skill. 62. Trapped behind iron bars, prisoners often connive to design a careful escape attempt. Is it conspire, plot, plan, agree, or decide? Pag sinabi natin connive, that is magplano or mag-create ng conspiracy, ang kabaliktaran po niyan, ay ang pinakamalapit po niyan ay conspire. Again, conspire. Number 63. Dictators are obnoxious leaders. Ano po yung meaning ng obnoxious? Ang meaning po nun ay despicable. Lahat po ito ay positive. Positive po ang 2, positive po ang 3, positive ang 4, positive ang 5. Isa lang po ang negative, despicable. Correct answer sa number 63 ay obnoxious, despicable. Number 64. To put up good defense against their enemies, the Spanish government built the formidable wall of Intramuros. Ayan. To put up good defense against their enemies, the Spanish government built the formidable wall of Intramuros. Ang closest meaning po ng formidable, is it weak, tough, large, concrete, or permanent? Sagot po natin dyan ay tough. Pinaka-close na meaning sa formidable ay tough. Again, tough. Number 65. The suspects tried to elude the remotest pursuing police officer. Is it resist, confront, attack, avoid, or prevent? Ang synonym po na hinanap natin ay elude. Ang meaning po ng elude ay iwasan. Ang closest meaning niyan ay avoid. Again, number 65, option number 4, avoid. Number 65, avoid. The suspects tried to avoid the remotest pursuing police officers. Last 10 questions tayo guys for our drill. Ito, babasahin mo yung paragraph. Research by scientists has revealed that sing-song cadences of baby talk, those rhymes and rhythms and half-nonsense words that parents observe in their children, could be an essential step in the progress of learning to speak. The research also looked at babies with good hearing whose parents are deaf and cannot communicate to them in verbal form. However, these parents may start communicating with their babies using rhythmic set of hand movements. It was found out that babies are born with an innate sensitivity to the particular kinds of rhythmic speech patterns adults use to talk to them. It also seems that children are innately disposed to pick up speech rhythms from their parents and begin to babble before learning to form real words. The implication is that when parents use specific sing-song language talking to their babies, they may themselves be responding to a normal human development process. But some scientists argue that babbling has nothing to do with language and that it may simply results from random opening and closing of the mouth and jaw. Number 66. What is the best title of the paragraph? Baby Talk, how babies learn to talk, sing-song cadences. Correct answer natin. Sing-song cadences of baby talk. Correct answer. Best title, sing-song cadences of baby talk. Number 67. The writer implies that the parents who are deaf are use rhythmic hand movements when talking to their babies, just like with their adults. Again, number 67, the writer implies that the parents who are deaf use rhythmic hand movements when talking to their babies, just like with adults. Again, correct answer, option number 4, use rhythmic hand movements when talking to their babies, just like with adults. Number 68, the writer says that research into baby talk suggests that babies instinctively copy the speech rhythms of the parents. Number 68, correct answer, suggests that babies instinctively copy the speech rhythms of the parents. Again, number 68, the writer says that research into baby talk suggests that babies instinctively copy the speech rhythms of parents. Number 69, sing-song in the passage means the verse marked with regular rhythm and rhyme. Again, sing-song in the passage means the verse with marked and regular rhythm and rhyme. Again, correct answer natin dito, ang sing-song meaning nun, verse with marked, regular rhythm and rhyme. Number 70, last 5 questions. According to the author, babies are born with, correct answer natin dito, innate sensitivity to the particular kinds of rhythmic speech patterns. Again, according to the author, babies are born with innate sensitivity to the particular kinds of rhythmic speech patterns. Number 71 to 75. Public confidence in the Philippine National Police and continued patronage for its service is largely influenced by the media treatment it gets. Thus, the public perception that the PNP is the most corrupt, ineffective, and efficient agencies of the government is reflective of its media relations. Statistics show that Manila has lower crime statistics compared to other cities in the United States. Media relations is a major component of the police community relations. The public information officer has a much broader task of developing better and acceptable perception of the public on the PNP. This means that the PIO has a responsibility of developing and implementing strategic communication plans tied to the PNP's goals and priorities in the areas of public awareness and advocacy. Number 71. If you are part of the PIO unit, which would be the most beneficial issue to be made known to the public? Correct answer natin sa number 71 ay option number 2, the description of the media relations with the PNP. Again, the description of the media relations with the PNP. Number 72, the best title for the passage is, correct answer, the media and the public perception. Again, the correct answer, the media and the public perception. Number 73, unfavorable public perception towards the PNP may be attributed to the, correct answer, quality of media treatment on the PNP. Again, quality of the media treatment on the PNP. Correct answer number 73, quality of the media treatment on the PNP. Number 74, the passage implies that, correct answer, media must help PNP improve its public image. Again, media must help PNP improve its public image. Again, media must help PNP improve its public image. And this is the last number, guys. The phrase proactive media relation program means, final answer po natin kapag proactive, it means they are preparing, or PNP plans and prepares media relations programs on a long-term basis. Again, correct answer natin sa number 75, pag proactive, PNP plans and prepares media relations programs on a long-term basis. And that ends our final coaching for verbal reasoning for your NAPOLCOM review. Thank you so much for bearing with me throughout all of this discussion. I really enjoyed my time with you guys. In fact, kahit pagod na si discussion, kasi medyo ang magandang part din ng teaching is you're able to learn also. So thank you so much for your patience and your understanding for the intermittent internet connection sometimes. And good luck. I'm really hoping for the best and will be praying for you then makapasa sa NAPOLCOM examination. Thank you and good night.